Greetings from the workshop, folks. Sorry I've got a froggy voice still. That'll teach me to go camping anyway, as I said in the last video. This one's back together now. So she has a voice, which I can't demonstrate right now, much like myself, because it's quite late here, as you can tell from darkness outside. But all the wiring was in, it's been reconnected. Everything has been routed correctly. Harness has been tied off, or zip tied I should say. All of the connections are appropriate and exactly as they were back in the day. We've got all the lights hooked up with the wiring running now through the back grommet. Probably see just down there somewhere, right there. That's now running through, and we've just got that loosely cable tied in place. Tested, everything works, which is a really good result. We've got a problem with the brake light and parking light not working on this taillight assembly. Everything else works and all the indicators are good to go. The lights up the front are good, so we can fit the nacelle. A few gremlins on this one, but I think we're on the home stretch now, and particularly pleased that all the secondary wiring's been reinstated. So that's a good result. I'm going to go through and do a little bit more diagnosis on this and just figure out, this is all the civilian stuff here, so I need to test each one of those. I'm going to retest each one here, and then we'll test the lighting relays just to make sure. Occasionally they go bad, pretty rare, but occasionally they go bad. But everything is coming together nicely. There's no tension on any of the cables. Everything, the whole box was pulled, put back together. It all works, so hooray. So there you go. Quick update on that. Stay tuned for more. I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.